Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, June 6th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, it was kind of a roller coaster day today. Dow Jones was down for about half the day, and then it started building, came back, ended up closing up 80 points. But it was kind of you definitely call this a choppy market. And I would have thought, we probably would have just had another rotten day, but the day wasn't so bad for us. We came in with only two positions, one in Ambarella and the other one in Yelp. That's not a dog food company. It's Yelp. Anyway, Yelp went positive, and we managed to take profits in that a whole $120, but that sure beats a losing trade. Ambarella turned against us, and that kind of bit us in the butt. It was about a $2,700 loss. So we get out of the day with $2,600 losing trades on two positions. Could be worse, but what I'm very positive about, we got into 9 positions today. I was really surprised because I say it was a choppy market, and a choppy market, I wouldn't expect out of 9 positions to do too much. 8 of those 9 positions are positive. Now, nothing's really great, but getting 8 out of 9 positions positive, that's good. We are carrying over $7,000 in open trade equity profits going into tomorrow, and it's going to be a kind of a hairy day tomorrow. There's jobs report coming out, and so things could get very volatile, but I'm optimistic. I'd much rather come into the day with $7,000 in positive trades than $7,000 in negative, so I'm feeling good about it. Let's take a look at those charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see this monster drop, 200 plus points we had yesterday, and we came in today and it looked like it was going to be more of the same, and I'm just amazed that we didn't get killed today somehow, but we didn't get killed. And when this market turned around, made a bottom here and took off again, closed up 80 points. We're back up over 15,000, folks. And this thing, you can see, we're closing almost on the high. I always think that looks good for tomorrow, and I don't care about that jobs report. I'm going to predict, based on this, that the jobs report will be positive, and this market's going to go tomorrow. Now that's Trader Bob's prediction for tomorrow. Anyway, as I say, we got just a lot of good, solid little trades in today. I'll show you the biggest one that we have is in Ciena Corporation, and back a few days ago we got into a nice trade with Ciena, bought it here, got out there after holding it 3 days. This morning this thing just really exploded, and of course some people can't stand my trading style because I'll jump in here and buy this big gap, but that was a good place to buy, at least from today's action. We're holding over $2,500 in open trade equity in Ciena Corporation, so this is looking very good right now. Anyway, I in spite of the choppiness and everything else, I feel pretty good about today. We're going into tomorrow with $7,000 plus in open trade equity, and I think that jobs report is going to go in our favor. That is my prediction. Anyway, this is Trader Bob. I'm signing off, and I'll see you tomorrow on Friday for the jobs report.